Let's face the truth. Filmmakers today don't have the money to spend $800 on an online film course. It's difficult to afford an expensive film course while still having the money to buy all the equipment that you need. You end up buying a course and not being able to purchase the equipment, or you buy the equipment that you need and then you don't have any money to spend on the education on how to use it. Now, there are two types of film courses out there today, and you've probably seen both of them. The first film course has all the information that you're looking for, but the investment required to join turns so many people away because they're unable to afford it. They end up going for the second type of film course, which is very cheap, but doesn't have nearly enough information and pretty much just teaches you the basics. And even after taking that course, you still can't afford to buy all the equipment that you need and get the more expensive course to teach you how to use it. Now, we know this personally because over the last 6 years, we have built the largest and most comprehensive online film academy on the market today. We have over 1,000 training videos and over 100 hours of content on every single filmmaking subject you can imagine, taught by not just me, but professional filmmakers in the industry today. Over the last 6 years, we have been that first type of film course. We've been charging $800 for our online film academy called Tomorrow's Filmmakers, and we've actually been successful. We've had thousands of students join, with some starting their own film business and even some going from film hobbyists to award-winning filmmakers. But every single day, we get emails, messages, and requests from filmmakers telling us that they just can't afford the film education they need and they aren't able to join. They ask us to give them a discount or anything we can just to see if they'd be able to afford it. And to be honest, it is difficult to buy a $1,000 camera and then have to pay almost that same amount to be able to learn how to use it and learn all the skills you need. So we would discount the course a little bit and try to help people out, but we still get email after email of struggling filmmakers not being able to pursue their dreams and not being able to learn all the filmmaking skills they need to succeed because the barrier to entry is just too high. So we sat down recently and tried to brainstorm how we could help more filmmakers that just can't afford the price tag of $800. We thought, well, maybe we could subdivide the content and sell just the basics for $150 and then sell individual courses for like $120. And that's because a lot of other film courses are actually doing that. They take their larger course and then sell a travel video course for $130 or a wedding course for $200. And we thought about doing that exact same thing. But even then, filmmakers still wouldn't be getting all the skills they need to be successful. So, I actually cannot believe we are doing this, but we are tired of filmmakers not being able to pursue their dreams because of money. Many people are living off stimulus checks. It's difficult times right now, but there are just so many filmmakers out there that won't be able to succeed because they can't afford the $800 filmmaking courses out there, with ours being one of them. So people have told us that this is a terrible idea, and in fact, every single course guru that I have talked to about this has actually said that we should raise our prices with the amount of content that we have. But we have heard your requests and we have been listening to all of those struggling filmmakers out there, and it's time that filmmakers get the training they need without any barrier standing in their way. So for a limited time, and I honestly don't know how long we're going to be doing this for, a couple days, couple weeks, maybe a month, I don't know, but we are going to be offering our lifetime membership to Tomorrow's Filmmakers for only $97. And I actually can't believe that we are doing this, but this is because of you guys. We want to reach as many people as possible so there won't be any barriers between you and fulfilling your dream as a successful filmmaker. Now listen, $97 is absolutely nothing. And you might be thinking, oh, okay, so for $97, this is probably like a Udemy course that has like 20 videos and it's mostly PowerPoint, right? Not at all. This is our full $800 course that we have been successfully growing and selling like this for about 6 years now. We received a Media Innovators Award for Best Online Film Education in 2020. We received 5 out of 5 stars from Educational Grader and have over 1,000 training videos and over 100 hours of content taught by professionals in their craft. This is not PowerPoint. This is on-field training. We talk all about cameras, lenses, audio, cinematography, lighting, and all the technical skills you need to create cinematic projects, from the theory to the creative down to the editing. We teach how to edit in all 4 major editors, from Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, color grading, and DaVinci Resolve, and also HitFilm Express, which is a completely free editor. So whatever editor you have, you can learn how to use it. And if you start at the beginning, you will fully understand everything you need to create cinematic, professional looking projects. We also teach all the specific skills you need in each industry, from weddings, music videos, real estate, short films, cinematography, directing, composing, lighting, stunts, film makeup, film audio, editing, travel videos, product videos, time lapses, mobile filmmaking, color grading, stop motion, storyboarding, acting, and so much more. Literally any topic you can think of, we teach it. And there are many film courses out there that charge $200 or more for one course, like weddings. And we teach all of that inside Tomorrow's Filmmakers. And again, this is not a small section of our course. This is our award-winning $800 course that we are giving to you guys for a very limited time of $97. And if it sounds too good to be true, I mean, it really is. I cannot believe we're actually doing this. So inside the course, you have lifetime access to all of our current and future content, access to all of our cinema courses, all of our digital downloads, over $2,000 in discounts to top name film brands, including 60% off the Adobe Creative Cloud Suite, which in itself is $360 in savings alone inside a $97 course. You have access to all of our virtual job shadows, access to our private community Facebook group, personal mentoring from me and my team, and so much more. All of this has been included inside with our $800 price tag for years, but you can get it right now for the biggest sale we have ever given in the history of our academy for a one-time payment of $97. We also have a 30-day money-back guarantee, so if you don't think $97 is worth over 1,000 training videos, then we don't really want or need your money. But once you sign up, I think you will be overwhelmed with how much training is right inside. So there you have it, guys. Biggest sale we have ever given in the history of our academy, and we're doing this for you. We are tired of not being able to reach as many filmmakers because of that high price tag, so we are bringing it down for a limited time to allow as many people to join as possible to fulfill their filmmaking dreams. So if you'd like to sign up for this limited time deal, click the button below and sign up for a one-time payment of $97 and learn all the skills that you need to succeed.